When exactly should someone seek medical treatment in a personal injury case? Attorney Michael Ainley explains that. There is not a specific rule about when you should seek medical treatment in a personal injury case. However, as soon as we find out about an accident or someone attempts to hire us, the first thing that we ask is, did you go to the doctor? How soon did you go to the doctor? Was the accident severe enough that you had to ride in an ambulance? If not, if you drove away from the accident, when did you first begin to feel pain? When did you first seek medical attention for that? It's extremely important to go as soon as possible because oftentimes you can have very serious injuries and not realize it. I'll share a story with you about a very dear friend of mine who was working in a medical facility years ago. My friend was going on his shift when a deer ran out in front of him. He swerved and hit a tree, and the car was immobilized. He was only about 3 blocks from work, so he walked to work and decided he would get his car out of the damage later on because he was running late. He got there and started working his shift. During his shift, he started feeling some pain in his neck. He told his supervisor, and the supervisor said, "Go on down to ER and let them take a look at you. They'll take some pictures of your back and neck and make sure that you are okay." The next morning, when the radiologist came in, he looked at the film and he called him on the phone and said, "Don't move. Don't do anything. I'm sending an ambulance for you. You are going to some other facility to have some work done. Your neck is broken in 2 places." This man was in the medical profession and had a broken neck and didn't know it. You can have very serious injuries and not realize it. Most people may not know this unless you have experienced some sort of high-level trauma. If you have, then you know what I am talking about. Your body initially doesn't feel pain. Most likely, you will be in shock from the trauma and just not feel anything. Sometimes it's hours and sometimes it's days before the pain starts to materialize. Don't be a tough guy. Don't think that you are going to wait it out and it's going to get better. See a medical professional immediately once you begin feeling pain. Contact attorney Michael Ainley for a case evaluation in Paris, Tennessee at 731-642-0178 or visit www.ahhlaw.com.